Hi guys, good morning. So today is full day. So full day exercise tayo ngayon guys. So stretching muna tayo bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating workout para iwas injury. So yan, galaw-galaw natin ang ating katawan, ating braso, kaliwa, kanan. So nag-take na rin ako ng smoothie pangpalakas, siyempre malakas tayo eh. So ayan, naglagay na rin ako ng weight sa aking kamay, dagdag pang pabigat sa ating barbell at dumbbell. At ito ang unang sabak sa ating listahan sa ating workout. Ito ang tinatawag na crossbody dumbbell curl. So bali 15 each repetition, 30 counts total. At syempre ginawa nating 3 set yan. Ang target muscle nito ay ang long head bicep, ang forearm at saka yung sa side bicep natin.
Cruising in my lane fast, call it high speed. I've been working hard, yeah, I've been working nightly.
At ito yung pangalawa sa ating listahan guys. Ang tawag nito ay barbell row. So ang target muscle niyan ay ating lats at ang ating bar. So ginawa ko itong 15 repetition, 3 set pa rin.
You think you'll win? Ha, nah, likely. I be taking shots, yeah, cold-blooded, icy. Watching numbers grow is what I call sightseeing. In the front row, run it up when they hype me. The following grows, they know how to ignite me. Call me CEO, I've been running right, see. And I ain't playing games, I create my own lane, making pleasure out of pain, turning losses into gains, I'm the boss, I'm making change, I've been rocking this exchange, popping off and risking things.
At ito yung pangatlo sa ating listahan guys. Ang tawag dito sa workout na to ay narrow barbell curl. So ginawa ko itong 3 set, 15 repetition. The target muscle nito ang ating bicep.
Gonna make a name, I just wanna be famous, but I don't want that cheap fame. No, I'm not that vain, I just wanna be greatness. 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 Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain nightly. If you wanna taste me, you can fucking try me. If you wanna hate me, you know where to find me. And if you go and hate this, you can fucking bite.
At ito naman ang pang-apat sa ating listahan guys, ang wide grip barbell curl. So ang target muscle natin nito ay
okay, I'm going off every chance I get. I don't really take a loss, well I'll admit. That's why I'll make it to the top, yeah I commit. And no, I'm never getting lost, I get after it. Investing in my own stock cause it's faster than any crypto hits go, let me spend. Everything that you see is something I invent, and it's only a percent. I'm gonna take shots, if I miss all, forget it. I'll take a fat loss just to learn all that's in it. I'm taking snapshots, learning how to fall and get it. I'm getting back up, always stand tall, don't sweat it. I never back up, I don't miss a thing or regret it. I'm always learning, you could.
At ito naman ang panglima sa ating listahan guys. Ang tawag ko dito ay side delt exercise. Target nito ang delt muscular back. So ginawa ko itong 15 repetition each, kaliwa at kanan, 3 set pa rin.
Call me academic, I'm always working, never been apathetic. That energy is like a poison, needs some antiseptic. Ain't no motherfucker in this world could do it like me. Open up your eyes and insert a little rising. You don't have to love me, you don't have to like me. Got enough love in myself, in my psyche. You should have the same in your brain.
At ito naman ang pang-anim sa ating listahan guys. Ang tawag ko dito sa exercise na to ay incline barbell curl. So 15 each repetition, kaliwa kanan. Syempre 3 set pa rin yan.
If you wanna take, you
So ayan, pagkatapos flex muna tayo para ganahan na naman. So ito ang pang-7 sa ating listahan. Ang tawag ko dito ay seated cable row. So wala tayong cable. Ang ginamit ko yung resistance band. Siyempre 15 repetition yan. 3 set pa rin. Target muscle nito yung side delt at saka ating back at ang ating rear delt sa shoulder.
Cause we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Yeah, we ran out of patience. Boil up with the cold hard hatred. I can feel the vibration. Feet in the streets, it's a new sensation. I wanna break faces on the pavement. I wanna make greatness look complacent. Adrenaline awakened, I can taste it. We can make an impact, grab and then take it. Like a disease, bring them to their knees. Take for their disease.
At ito ang pang-7 sa ating listahan, guys. Lat arm fall down. Siyempre 3 set pa rin yan at 15 repetition. Target muscle ang back at saka ang side delt. At ito naman ang pang-8 sa ating workout exercise, guys. Ang tawag ko dito ay standing back exercise. Target muscle nitong ating back natin. Siyempre 3 set, 15 repetition pa rin yan.
I see her rolling up, Uber black Cadillac, high heel boots and a sexy body full of tats. Baby's bad, oh baby's hella bad. After her there ain't no coming back. Wanna take a run at that. I think she's feeling me, turn it up a few degrees. My imagination of her body gets the best of me. Oh gosh, she's such a tease, bitten lips, bruised knees. I'm addicted to her, need her touching me. Cause she got a bad little waist, and we tearing down this place. Off the liquor that we chase, Casamigos to the face, baby, I don't need no space. Coming closer for a taste.
At ito naman ang huling exercise natin, guys. Ang tawag ko dito ay peaceful resistance band. Siyempre 3 set pa rin yan, 10 to 15 repetition. Target muscle natin yung side delt natin at saka yung upper back muscle. Siyempre bago matapos ang full workout session exercise natin, guys, follow muna kayo sa ating Facebook account, comment, like and share, guys, and stay healthy.
I'll show you how I make everything just fade away. Cause she's like,
So guys, tapos na akong mag-workout. Tapos na ang full day ko. So belong doon ang bicep natin, yung delts, at saka yung forearms.